And we believe that they are working to make sure that Nigeria is great. The Obidient movement have, for a very long period of time, have introduced a positive energy. They have also kind of inculcate that sense of belonging to all youth Nigerians, that they have a say. And they have proven that every single Nigerian, young, elderly, man and woman, can stand up and also project the kind of the Nigeria they so want. And I'm happy today that, like Kwankwasiyya, we all believe that Nigeria, if given the right people a chance, can overnight become a country that we have all been dreaming about. And that is why, despite the hitches, despite the misunderstanding, today the truth is before all of us, that we need one another, we need to work together, we need to make sure that the dreams that we have for Nigeria, which we believe our principals can jointly together provided that dream, we need to really strengthen ourselves and make sure that that dream goes beyond just Obidient and Kwankwasiyya. It becomes a Nigerian dream. So today is not an ordinary day, I believe. The whole world is seeing this today, and Nigerians are seeing this. Those that believe that it's just a hearsay, let them realize that these committed Nigerians are ready to work together, not for themselves, but for a better future of Nigerians. And that is why we are here today, to officially, because we've been seeing, we've been talking, and we've been moving, but officially we want the whole world to see that we have paid a visit to our brothers, and also we will continue to strengthen this relationship for the general good of Nigeria. And I think that is the reason why we are here today. And platform to promote these movements. And I think at the highest level of the leadership of this true movement, we need to say thank you to all of you and urge you to continue to bring out the good work our leaders have done in the past, and also the shared aspiration they have for this Nigeria, for all other Nigerians to buy in. And I think that is why we are all here. And I will have to say thank all Nigeria for all the support they've been giving to these movements. And also, we shall thank our leaders also for thinking beyond themselves, for deciding to set aside whatever it is that might have resulted into not them margin earlier on, to think beyond just themselves and their comfort, and agree to work together for a better future of this country. Thank you very much.
And of course, Engineer Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso, Excellency Engineer Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso, I want to thank you for this warm visit. And I want to officially say the Obidient movement formally welcome you to the Obidient headquarters.
Thank you very much.
Please, the Kwankwasiyya and Nigerians should see this place as their homes. We are friendly, we are not insultive, but we demand for the right thing to be done. Our demands are based on issues. Nigeria is a rich country with diverse intellectual persons. Some of these intellectual persons are so much in Nigerian youth. That is why you see the energy, why every one of them are supporting the combination of His Excellency Mr. Peter Obi and Engineer Rabiu Musa Kwankwasiyya. In that regard, we appreciate every of our Nigerian youth who are working tirelessly to support this. For over 4 years plus, we've been working to ensure that this is a reality. So today, the 29th of April 2026, being a landmark combination of people who want to see Nigeria progress to a better life. Let it be said, this is not a merger, but a partnership. Because every individual of this particular group work together as a team. And once we have a team, we are unbeatable. I want to implore every one of us to know that today we have a friend and a brother in the Kwankwasiyya movement. And we will continue to work together with all groups who are interested in making a new Nigeria possible. So please and please, from today and henceforth, we give so much regard and respect to all of our leaders. All of our leaders. I'm not exempting anybody. All of them are very important to this particular ticket. So we continue to encourage them to continue to work together as a team. Nigeria needs everyone. And today is another beginning of a new life for everybody. I want to thank you, everybody, for coming. Please and please, organize. Let's not disorganize. Let's mobilize, not demobilize. Let us ensure that the soldiers of a new Nigeria are on the march again. God bless the Federal Republic. Again, that these movements are not margin, so we can be clear about they are on independent, but we are partners. And I want to also say that we have a brilliant person in the person of His Excellency Mr. Peter Obi. And we have an astute politician in the person of His Excellency Engineer Rabiu Musa Kwankwasiyya. Wait for the outcome of their deliberation, and you will get the result that you are asking for.
My principal is ready to do anything possible that will ensure that the present administration is out of power. So like my brother said, you understand, there are certain things that are only a side talk, you understand, and we have the right people there that are actually working, and I believe soon you will see the outcome. If you want my personal opinion, I will tell you this straight, you understand. The issues that truly is important in all political dispensation is justice and equity. And I believe that we have to listen to Nigerians, we have to see reasons. You understand? And I think we are also part of the people that believe that the southern part of this country have certain period or certain term to complete. You understand? If you allow me, I will tell you that we'll prepare that somebody, a balanced ticket, you understand, that will challenge the status quo, you understand, should be up for taking.
So thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Please, item 7.
Can everybody sit down, please?
Is possible.
Yeah. Thank you.
Dr. Habib.
be ready to answer.
You're not worried about what is happening. There was a judgment